Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Ron T. Sawyer, the legend, aka Pops. Happy birthday to you, kind sir. Obviously, I can't send this to you, but I will eat it for you. Ha ha ha. Anywho, hope all is well in YouTube land. This is how far I've gotten so far with the saw blade knife. This is cedar, chunks of cedar. I just figured I would get it shaped kind of, this is all screwed together. Figured I'd shape it all kind of together, and then once I get the two-part epoxy to fix the slingshot, I will take it all apart and finish it up. But I figured I'd get a little bit of it done so you guys can see how it's looking so far. So it is what it is. This is how I kept the blade nice and cool, nice cold cloth, and this was full of water, but it's not anymore. But yeah, been shaping it with an aggressive file. I think the color of the wood will come out. It's been sun bleached. It's just been in a pile. This is basically our kindling pile at the side of the house. So I've just been figured this would look kind of okay. It's a backyard special. Backyard Custom Knives. Eddie says it'll be a good skinning knife because it's, you know, it's pretty thin. And I think I can actually, I've got a blade sharpener. I think I can maybe use that to get the blade. I'm going to try it anyways, I don't know. What do you think, Eddie? What do you think I should do for sharpening? I don't have any skookum sharpening things like you do, but I don't know. I think I might just run it through and see if it sharpens. I don't know. It is what it is, I suppose. But yeah, Ron T, Pops, happy freaking birthday, old man. Hope you're having an epic weekend. Yes. What am I going to do? I'm going to use a chunk of this, I think. Oh yeah, that's... No, I don't like that. I like this one. I'm going to take a big chunk of this one off. And then saw this up in half so I can use that one. I'm going to saw this one up too. Halfway point, say about yay. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see how I did. Oh, look at that, eh? That's a pretty good eye if you can't ask me. It's pretty good. Red, I use this thing all the frickin' time. It's become a very big companion with my fires. so grateful for it. Thank you so much. Especially this little sleeve, it keeps it nice. Okay, take a little chunk of this over here. I think that'll do. Oh yeah, that's nice. That should be more than enough. Bing! I'm just gonna get these into chunks too. Work with me here, guys. Few more. One more, I think. That should be more than enough. Okay, that'll be good. Get a few of these in. This stuff is so dry, it'll go up like no problem. I could probably just make a whole bunch of shavings out of this and hit it with this ferro rod, because this stuff is, like I said, really dry. But it's fatwood. We like fatwood too, so fatwood is gonna get crazy, and stuff is sticky, it smells delicious. Oh yeah. Okay, make a little platform right here. Stack all that right there. As soon as this stuff lights, it'll go up, no problems. Hey, look at this. Oh yeah, that stuff's just so good. Make a little make a little pile in here that we can start without making it all fly all over the place. I think that should be enough. There she goes. There we go. That heat up real good. Nice, nice. Oh, just about smothered it. There we go. Yeah, this fatwood, I tell you, something else. So yeah, there's the knife so far. I think it'll work out. That's going to close like I think it's gonna. It's hot. Anyways, happy Mother's Day, yeah, for all the people that have moms out there. And happy birthday, Pops. Hope you have an epic one. And I'll keep you posted on this knife. Stay blessed, and hope everybody has a great week. And yeah, cheers.